I'm Chris, I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Let's go have a look. The Jayco Pop Top is a fantastic product range. It's easy to tow, it's lightweight and it's low to store. Let's run through the setup of your Jayco Pop Top. The first thing we need to do is engage the open position on our awning. So at the front of the awning, push it to the rear. That's set to engage to open the awning. The next step, release the awning retainer. Down the bottom behind the awning, we've got a little knob. Just spin that anti-clockwise to release it, and we'll do the same at the back. So once we've engaged our awning into the open position, we've released our catches, both midway and the bottom. We can then grab the strap and pull our awning out. Once the awning's been rolled out, release your roof clips on all four corners. So before we raise our roof, we must open the door and keep the door open so that we're able to push the roof up and don't create a suction within the van. So the pop top roof is gas strut assisted. Now we've got 4 gas struts, 2 on either side of the roof, but the main lifter within the van is our roof bar here. Grab it with both hands, push it up, and it will lock itself into place. And we repeat the process to the rear to lift the roof. Now the final safety stay is here on the right hand side. So just make sure you clip that up and you're done. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.